This is my double chocolate ice cream. It doesn't contain added sugar and it's easier to make than you might think. Let me show you. Start by mixing 50 grams of xylitol and skim milk powder each with 1 gram of guar gum. Warm 500 grams of milk to 40 degrees Celsius. Then add the dry ingredients, mixing constantly and never stop whisking until the mixture reaches 80 degrees Celsius. Pour the hot milk over 160 grams of semisweet chocolate and let it sit for 2 minutes. Blend it smooth and then add 260 grams of very cold whipping cream followed by 20 grams of vanilla-infused vodka. Continue blending for 2 minutes. Cover the mixture with plastic wrap directly on the surface and then refrigerate it for 8 hours. Then peel off the plastic and blend it again for 2 more minutes. Churn it in your ice cream machine following the manufacturer's instructions. Midway through the churning cycle, melt 90 grams of white chocolate with 10 grams of coconut oil. Slowly drizzle the white chocolate into the chocolate ice cream while the machine is going. Then let the churning cycle finish and transfer the very soft double chocolate ice cream to a frozen casserole. Look at that beautiful texture, but it's too soft to serve right now. It needs 6 to 8 hours in the freezer to firm up. Before you serve it, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften up a bit. My double chocolate ice cream is a gourmet treat. It's so creamy and luxurious, and that texture contrast with the white chocolate pieces, simply beautiful. See you next time, dessert lovers!